Alright guys, today we're going to be checking out the Cree pocket flashlight. These are super cheap. They're made in China. But before we get going, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I got all kinds of gear all the time. Check that out. And if you want to buy this, check in the description below. I've got a link to where you can purchase this. So, this is the Cree pocket flashlight. I carried this for quite a while, and with all my reviews, I only review stuff that I actually know about and that I've actually used. And to be honest, this is a piece of crap. So the deal with this is it runs on one AA battery, or it can run on its own rechargeable battery. The problem is these rechargeable batteries run out of power very, very quickly. Now, the upside to this flashlight, it is extremely bright, and the lens is adjustable by moving this forward and backward. The problem is, because it's so bright, it uses up a ridiculous amount of power, and this will literally run out of battery in like 5 minutes of use. If you're using non-rechargeable batteries, you just need to carry a bucket of batteries, and the rechargeables don't last very long either. So, while this flashlight looks cool, it looks tactical and all this great stuff, honestly, this is not something you want to carry, because when you get into a situation, you're going to need more than 5 minutes of power. And so you can see it is very bright. Unfortunately, that brightness comes at a significant cost, and that cost is the battery length. So I cannot recommend this as a great product. However, they are very, very inexpensive. So if you want a quick and easy bright flashlight that you know the battery's not going to last very long, but you don't need that, check it out, go buy it. But if you're in a tactical situation, I wouldn't recommend this as an everyday carry. There you go. That is a quick review on the Cree pocket flashlight. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and have a great day.